here to Ralph, which will go through a brief overview of the application, and then Eric Boyanga will take over with some use cases.
Great, thanks a lot, Omar. So just to reinforce what Omar and Dard mentioned, so we're tracking wealth events on a daily basis and linking those to executives that were impacted by those. So that could be IPOs, stock transactions, when companies are acquired, investments received, when a company becomes a unicorn status, so a billion valuation, because that's most likely a company that's going to either be acquired or IPO in the next months or in that short period of time. And then we provide both consumer attributes and professional attributes to those executives when we're providing them to you on a daily basis. And then we map those to your networks to see where you have the strongest path to connect with those executives. And we have APIs set up to Chime so that you can then transfer those leads into your application. So it saves a lot of time in moving data from one system.